Hello and welcome back to my channel. So today for you we have my month in review for February 2024. I completed 2 kits. I have 1 whip going into March, but I wanted to start with my first finish, and the first finish here is Twins from Pam's Diamond Painting. This is a round drill. It is a 45 by 60 centimeter. I started this actually in January. I started it on the 24th of January. And I finished this on February 12th. This is my 4th finish of 2024 and my 11th of all time. And then my next completed diamond painting Twins was a stock image. These are no longer available on Pam's Diamond Painting website. So this next kit is The Little Match Girl by Jasmine Beckett Griffith. Again, it is from Pam's Diamond Painting. It is a 40 by 50 centimeter. It was a square drill, and I did add enhancements, quite a few of them. There is not a post review up on my channel for this one, and I don't think I'm going to put one up there, but I might do a de-kitting. And I started this one on the 13th of February and finished it on the 29th. So the only whip I have going right now is this mystery kit. So if you have been around on my channel for the last few weeks, we have been doing a square a week, and this is the mystery kit. We started this on the 1st of February, so we have 5 weeks done, and this is from One with the Diamond Art. It is a round drill. And I don't remember, yeah, it's a round drill, and I don't quite remember how big it is at the top of my head. But we can look. It is a 30 by 40, so we don't know what the image is, and we don't know who the artist is, but I think I know who the artist is at this point. I think it is a Jasmine Beckett Griffith. I just don't know which painting by her, but we will keep going and figure it out. So those are the 2 finishes and the 1 whip. Now I'm going to set you up a little differently, and we're going to take a look at my plan for March. So I will be right back. Okay, so I started this painting on March 1st. I am filming this on March 4th. And I have already, like I said, already started this. This is from Pam's Diamond Painting. This is the purple and pink dragonfly. It is no longer available in her shop. So I have already started it. It is a 50 by 70. Okay. So I do plan on finishing this for the month of March. And then my other canvas is this one. This is from Jaded Gem Shop. This is from Magnan Duty. It is the Painter, and it's a 40 by 60 centimeter, and it is in square. So these are the 2 that I plan on working on, but I do have a Paint Gem Mini that I started on March 2nd. So I'm just going to put this back like so, and I'm going to pull out my paint gems. So I did start these on March 2nd. So I try to keep these ones in like my living room or in my, I take them into my bedroom and work on them sometimes. So I have 2 of them completely done. I'm going to zoom you in. So this is the Zodiac. So I have this one completed, and I have this one completed, which I believe, which ones do I have? I have so this one is Aries. So Aries is complete. Taurus is complete. And then I'm working on Gemini. I do plan on finishing these for the month of March as well, and these are square. I am adding in 1 AB, so I'm adding in 5200 in place of the 5200, so 5200 AB, and then so I am adding in a little bit of an AB. But so those are the ones that I have completed and I've started, and then these are just what I have left. There is 12, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yeah, 12. So we have Cancer, Leo, Vertigo, Libra, or Virgo, Libra, Scorpio, Sagittarius, Capricorn, Aquarius, and Pisces. So I do plan on having these finished. This is my ever first little Paint Gem Mini, and they only take about 15-20 minutes for me because I do other things while I'm working on them, plus my daughter is awake and my husband is home normally. So yeah, so I'm just working on them alongside just hanging out on the couch while they play at night. But anyway, so that is my month in review and what I'm going to be working on for March. If I can complete this, the big canvas and the painter, and well, yeah, so the 2 that I really want to complete is the purple and pink dragonflies and the painter. So if I don't finish the paint gem, that is fine. But I also look forward to doing our 1 week square. So every week we will do a Mystery Monday square. So I hope to see you guys in more of my videos. So if you do like my videos and you want to see more of them, make sure you subscribe and you hit the bell to be notified every time I upload a new video, as well as liking this video and leaving me a comment down below. What are you working on diamond painting wise? I'm having a lot of fun just doing the purple and pink dragonfly. It is not confetti heavy at all, and I have been working on some really confetti heavy paintings the last 2 months. So I am very, very much enjoying the color blocking that I'm doing. So anyway, I will see you guys in the next one, and I hope you guys have a great week. All right, bye.